Hi, Paola Jo from SederQuilts, and welcome to an almost live episode here today. Lori and I are so excited to let you know that our new learning site is up and running and welcome you to SederQuilts. If you have ever purchased a class from me before, you had to save your links in order to watch things as many times as you want, but we now have made this really easy for you to find all your classes and all the handouts and the related tutorials all in one place. It's going to be so much easier for you. I like to be helpful. I love helping all of you. And so anyway, we've done this to make it easier for you to watch your classes and to buy more classes. So no matter what type of a computer or device you use, you can now log into SederQuilts.com. And when you come to our website, be sure that you log in first of all. Go to My Account, and when you click on any one of the items in the menu, when you click on it, you do need to scroll down to see the new item. So if you're already logged in, you're ready to go. If you aren't logged in already, let's see if I've got one on this one that's not logged in. Okay, so if you're not logged in and you go to My Account and then scroll down, you'll see this. You can either log in if you've been here before, or if you've never been here, you can register new. But most of us actually save our passwords now, and you just click on them and log in. If for some reason it doesn't remember you, or you've lost your password, or you didn't save it, you can click on lost your password and it'll help you get a new one. But anyway, you log in, and after you are logged in, it just takes a moment. Now you can see that it says hello and your name. If you want to log out, there's a spot right here to log out, or down on the bottom you can log out as well. But once you are logged in, now you go to My Purchased Classes. And again, it'll refresh, and then you have to just scroll down and you will see all the classes that you have purchased. We have a lot of classes that are on our system and available now, and they're very nice and handy. So we want to show you a few things about getting in and looking at your classes. So I'm going to go on here because it's a little bit easier to see on this bigger screen. And whether you're on a computer or an iPad or an iPhone or whatnot, it basically all works the same. But you'll go to your classes and choose one. And we have these nice little ribbons, and you click on it anywhere. You click on the name of the class you want to see. And after you click on it, again, it'll refresh, and you just scroll down and you'll see this is the class, Stabilized Details Fills. And oh my goodness, whether you are a free motion gal or you are a computerized quilter, stabilizing things and putting in your details and then going back to your fills is just so very, very helpful. But on any of the classes, you again scroll down and it tells you a little description and whatnot, and then you get down to your content. This is what's actually in the class. We have a class video and handout. So you click on the title to watch the video or to view the handout. And then there are free related tutorials for quite a few of the classes. Not every class. Some only have one and some have quite a few. But whichever thing you want to watch, you click on the title and it will take you to the class. Now, there is a handy dandy little side screen here, a little sidebar, and you can just click the little arrow up here and it will move that out of the way for you. Or you can click on it again. You just tap on it or click on it, and that will come up or go away so that you can easily pick and choose which thing you want to be looking at. But if you click it out of the way, then things come up to a nicer, bigger screen. And here is the video. It's not on YouTube anymore. This player thing is so much easier to use. I'm going to turn the volume way down on here. But this slider works really well. You can pause it easily at any point. You can slide it along to any part of the video and then start playing again. It's so nicely reactive. So it's wonderful. You can move along and find things nicely. If you want to see your handout, again, click on the title below to view your handout, your PDF. So if you click on the name, the title of the class down here, you will instantly see the handout. It is just so slick and easy. I just love this new learning site that we're using. If you want to print it out so that you can use your highlighters and your pencils and mark things on there and keep it in a 3-ring binder clear plastic sheet, you can hit download and it'll download your thing onto wherever it is that your downloads go, and then you can go to that and print it off. So anyway, it's really handy. Now down on the bottom of the screen there's a back to class or moving on to the next lesson, and whichever one you click on, well, I just magnified my whole screen, but you can click on back to class and it'll take you back to the, scroll down again, it'll take you back to the beginning of that class, and so you can click on your free tutorials and things here. Or let's go back, you can go to the next lesson over here and it'll just take you down to the next thing here. Or you can go over to the sidebar and you can click on the one that you want to watch next, and we have a number of free tutorials along with this particular class. And yeah, anyway, it's just really so nice and easy and organized, and it's all right here. You can watch your tutorials, and you can watch any of these as often as you want to. So it'll be so nice and handy. So if you have purchased a class from me before, or if I have gifted it to you before, I have you all entered in our system, and I think you're going to be so excited. Now, if you haven't purchased any classes lately, or you only have 1 or 2 classes and you're just been waiting to buy some more, let's run through the process of buying a class, okay? So up here in the corner, you have a profile picture, and you can either log out completely or you can go back to the class home, etc. So let's go back to class home. And again, you'll come back to the screen and you can click on any of the items in the menu to go see other things. But down here we have Cedar Shop, and you can buy things in our shop. Now, I might have a few extras on here and stuff, but we have a number of different things that you can buy a particular class or a whole series of classes, and you just select an item and it will take you to add to cart or view cart. Here we're going to add to cart. Just click on the little button and then you can view. Oh, I've already got that purchased on mine, but you go to the cart and you add it to your cart and you go through PayPal to pay for it, and then you will be ready to watch things. So it's really quick and easy. I hope you'll enjoy that. But once you have purchased classes, then again, you just go back to our menu and you can click on your purchase classes and see all the things that you have. So anyway, I am so excited to have things up and working. I'm so sorry you had to wait so long, but you know, as with everything, the good stuff takes a little bit longer than you think. But oh, we are so happy that it's up and running and going so well. So anyway, I hope to see you soon. Come back often, and if you have any comments or questions or concerns, you know how you can get a hold of me, SederQuilts.com, SederQuilts@gmail.com, Paola Jo at SederQuilts.com. You know. You can get a hold of me many different ways. Thanks so much for stopping by. Thanks for choosing Cedar Quilts and sharing Cedar Quilts and watching and following and commenting and all those good things. Toodaloo. See you soon.